What's up, everyone? I am Shafayat from Unlocktherapy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your iPhone 14, 14 Pro, or 14 Pro Max so you can use it with any carrier. Whether you're switching networks or traveling abroad, unlocking your phone gives you the freedom to go wherever you want. And don't worry, it's easier than you think. So let's jump right in. First things first, before you can unlock your iPhone, you've got to make sure it's eligible. Most carriers require your phone to be fully paid off, and you need to have had it active on their network for at least 60 to 90 days. Just give your carrier a quick call or check their website to confirm that your phone meets these requirements. Now let's talk about how to request the unlock from your specific carrier. If you're with AT&T, head over to their unlock portal online. It's super simple. Just fill out the form and submit it. Screen recording of the AT&T Unlock page. T-Mobile users can log into their account or use the T-Mobile Unlock app that's already on your phone. Screen recording of the T-Mobile app. Verizon? Good news for you. Verizon automatically unlocks phones after 60 days of activation. For any other carriers, just visit their website or call customer service. Once your request is approved, the magic happens. You'll either get an email with instructions or your phone will unlock automatically. Sometimes, all you need to do is pop in a new SIM card and restart your iPhone to finish the process. Now, how do you know your iPhone is truly unlocked? Super easy. Head to Settings, go to General, then tap About. Scroll down and look for No SIM Restrictions under Carrier Lock. If you see that, congratulations, your iPhone is now unlocked. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, your iPhone 14 is now unlocked and ready to work with any carrier. If this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any future tech tips. For more information, you can visit our website, unlocktherapy.net. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.